God, kakusog busaka. What is up, guys? This is JON-SAB Moto, and you're looking at this Yamaha YTX125cc bike that we're gonna review. And if you're new to my channel, consider clicking on that subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the notification bell as well for video updates, so that way you won't miss out any videos that I upload like this. So without further ado, we're gonna review this bike. So basically, I got this bike from my brother-in-law. We're fortunate enough that he lends us this bike for us to review. So first, you notice it's got a huge tank. This one actually has 7.6 liter capacity, fuel capacity, and it's just a 125cc engine on this one. 4-stroke, of course. It's not FI. Fuel system is carbureted, and the looks actually is, I think it's perfect for me, because this one's got a unique footrest on it. It's got double shocks. It's got a huge grab bar in the back passenger side, so you can do a lot of stuff on here if you have, like, you know, cargos and stuff. So you can tie it on there. So this one actually got a pretty huge horn. It sounds pretty loud. I'm not sure how many volts is that, 15 maybe, I don't know. And I like the headlight, circular shaped headlight. It adds the Street Fighter looking feel, design, or kind of classic, whatever you call it. And it's fender as well, or see what you call this thing. The mud guard is actually plastic, so that's pretty nice. So you can just replace it in case, you know, you get to break it. It's got quite huge wheel in the front. It's actually 300 by 17, same as on the back. And of course, that's not a disc brake. It's got drum brakes, front and back. And what else? So another double shocks on the side, quadruple. So this bike actually is built for business, like cargo business, tricycle type of business. So that's how this bike is designed for. It's actually got a pretty interesting tank setup, because you would think that this is a solid what you call it, tin. This is actually not tin. I mean, this part is the tin, but this side here are plastic. It's like cowlings that covers the tank. So just in case you damage this, you can just replace it. You don't need some dent repairs or something like that. So it's transmission. It's got a pretty unique transmission pattern, because this engine has four-speed engine, and the shifting pattern of its transmission is all the way here, or all the way up. If you're shifting this way, you're gonna shift it all the way up to 4th gear. So that is its shifting pattern. Pretty weird. And actually I'm not used to it yet, since I just, borrowed this bike today. So it's got a pretty high seat, height. I forgot the seat height of this one, but I actually get tiptoed when I get on the bike. And especially when it's kind of hard to move around when you're in traffic, when you're running slow, especially when you're slicing, crawling through traffic, stuff like that. And especially in the parking lot, tight parking spaces scenarios, you really, get a hard time. Bike's pretty heavy unless the bike's, moving fast or you're speeding up. So the bike's weight will just turn into paper. So it's pretty nimble to ride. It's got a pretty comfortable handlebars. I like it. I like the design. It matches the whole, package. If I get to own this bike, I'm gonna build this like a scramble tracker looking bike, because you just need to probably replace the wheels and remove one shock on each side, remove this dang huge footrest, and probably cut the chair. I don't know, maybe I'll cut it here and have it customized to cafe racer looking, a seat. So there. I think that's about it for this bike, so we're gonna test it out and we'll see how this thing does. So again, as you can see, my feet is actually tiptoed when I get on this. Seat height is pretty high for me. I'm only 5'3", and I think you can always do something about the height of this bike. You can lower it down by working on the forks on the front and the shocks on the back side. So, or you're gonna wanna cut the seat to somewhat like 2 to 3 inches down, so that's gonna alleviate the height of the seat. So those are the options that you can do to work on that problem. So let's go ahead and fire it up. So we'll see how this bike performs. Nasa mo? Review ko ani? Akong gi-review.
Kana sa kan.
Oh. So dito guys, good checkford guys, kay mingaw dito review ba dili kita kiwawan mo review. Kay plano ta nako sa SRP pero kay wan kung na checkpoint kay wala pa man ni papel. Piso yata ni di pa nito. Layo man syudad ng kuan. Sentro sa syudad ng Banawa. Walay checkpoint kayo. Yan ang pinakamingaw kay lugar sa Banawa kayo sa Good Shepherd Road. Yan, mingaw gud siya doon guys. Dito siya bihag motor. May samok ba? Ang tanda na ito buong isla nga yaw-yaw na kita rosa pati asagdaan dari ay Ang kaba ng daan na ni gituyo sa ninilagad kay param sa dis kanang every year nga sa tao ko na bersanto param ko mo penitensya sa tao na penitensya mga ingani ni The overall handling of the bike is pretty comfortable, regardless that it's not gonna give you the full upright riding position, since the handlebars and its seat height combination gives you just a little bit of an aggressive riding position. The material they use on the seat is perfect for me, since it's not too soft nor too hard to sit on. It's just perfect for its design, I think, and I also think that Yamaha did a good job on that. And this bike's 125cc engine actually has got some impressive torque in it. You can't really feel its power regardless you're going uphill riding or the plains. Trust me, you really won't feel frustrated by its 4-speed transmission because of the long power duration or stretch that it gives you on each gears, especially from 2nd, 3rd, and the 4th gear. It really gives you more juice as you continue to squeeze on that throttle. Another good thing about this bike is its very affordable price. Its price range is only around 49,000 pesos here in the Philippines, and this affordable price you can get to enjoy a very nice looking 125cc bike that has an impressive power. So what do you guys think? Comment down below if you own one of this bike and might want to share us your thoughts and experience with the Yamaha YTX125. Maybe you might want to share your inputs on this video or your know-how about the awesome looking YTX125cc bike. And again, if you're new here or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing, and don't forget to smash the bell icon so you won't miss out any videos to come. Click like if you like it, and share if you feel like sharing it. I'll see you on the next one. Ride safe.